We're on our way to California right now. We're going to the airport and I'm really excited.
Nasty.
Boston was so fun. I haven't edited my Boston vlog yet and that's the reason you guys haven't seen it because I've been really lazy with the editing. But
has been very lazy.
I've been so lazy. I've been doing absolutely nothing in Boston. I've just been meeting my friends because all of them live here. Happy journey to me because literally no one's wished me happy journey. Making her do the work on my way. We're late actually. I should stop vlogging and get some work done. How exciting. I'm gonna go back to California after 2 years. I've missed home so much. I'm gonna show you guys my room and I'll just show you around my house over there. I'm so excited to go back. It's been forever. I've been in India all pandemic. Aishwarya's just standing with my bag. I love this airport. It's really pretty. That's about it. I'm gonna edit my Boston vlog on the plane because I need to get some work done. Okay, we're done with the check-in, the security, TSA stuff, all the scary stuff. We're gonna board the plane in a bit. My sister's going to get some food because she's hungry. Okay, and she's back with some food. And I will most probably see you guys in California if I vlog and not sleep. We just landed in Dallas. We're in Texas right now. We're here for like an hour. My sister and I just walking around. We're searching for some good places to eat. She's taking me somewhere. I don't know where. She's wearing my jacket, by the way, because we didn't have any space. I'm gonna go to the vending machines after this. I watched Vampire Diaries on the plane. I finished like 7 episodes. It was a long flight. We chose TGIF to eat because it was a Friday and they have really good food anyway. I was starving on the plane, so here's me eating a bacon burger and that's my sister eating wings. I'm tired, but we have to go to California. We have to go to our house. I've been missing it. I haven't been there in 2 years.
One eternity later.
We just landed. The airport's quite cool. Didn't we go to Sequoia like 2 years back?
Yeah, we did.
It did not look like this, did it? No, it did not. It was pretty similar, but let's go there. Me as a kid. I'm meeting my brother-in-law after 2 years. He's 6'3", right? You're 6'3", right?
Yeah, somewhere around that 6'3".
I'm 6'1".
6'1".
No one believes me I'm 6'1". People think I'm like 5'7".
No, you're tall.
I'm very tall.
Same color.
Yeah. I'm back home after 2 years. How do you all feel about me coming back?
Amazing.
There's no light.
Welcome back.
Do you all know how excited I am to literally be back? I'll show you guys my bedroom. That's my bedroom in case anyone's wondering. We're back. We're back. I'm gonna go to my room and I'm gonna literally show everyone. Oh, happy Ganesh Chaturthi, by the way. Okay. Okay, it's dark and this is not how I left my room. I don't know why my mom and my sister changed the bedding to a red colored thing because I left it and it was grey. I don't like this golden. I have so many things to change in this room. I'm literally seeing this after 2 whole years. I got those wings from Michaels a couple of years ago. Actually, 4 years ago. I got those from Michaels literally in like 2017. Here's me in this ugly ass bed sheet. Bedding, duvet, whatever the hell this is. Guys, I've literally forgotten where the light switches are. Where are the light switches, dude? Why don't they work in this house? Okay, I give up. I'm going down. Okay, so I literally wasn't able to switch on those lights because I'm quite dumb right now. So I'm gonna shower in this bathroom that's next to my room instead. The better bathroom, I don't know how to like switch the lights on. I'm quite stupid because this is how you switch it on. And yeah, I'm gonna literally, this is the reason I wanted to switch the lights on because I wanna bathe. Good morning, it's the next day. Today people are coming over for Ganpati, so that's the reason I've dressed up in Indian. I'm feeling a little better. I was quite sick last night, but I'm feeling better. Evening I have to go do some shopping for my dorm room and stuff and my bedroom because my bedroom's really disgusting right now. So we just celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi and stuff. People had come over and I didn't vlog because I was like talking to them and stuff. Now I'm gonna change and I'm gonna go to some shop and get some clothes because I have I've got like 4 outfits with me. I had a bunch over here in my room, but they just don't fit me anymore. Apparently, I've grown over the years. We're gonna go watch a movie right now because we want to. Let's go. I wanna go play. This is a scam. Not me pretending I'm in Harvard. We got our tickets and we're gonna do a quick dinner right now and we're gonna go watch our movie.
I'm excited for Shang-Chi.
Even I'm excited. We just ordered and we're waiting for the food now. That's about it. Our food's here. I don't know what that is. Okay, update. We're watching the movie tomorrow because my sister wants to sleep. We just got our food. Hi guys, we're back home. We'll be watching the movie tomorrow. Right now I'm just in the kitchen chilling and not really doing anything. I might want to sit down. Today was such a nice day. We celebrated Ganpati. Then we went out. That's about it. We're going out for brunch. It's the next day, by the way. Let's go. Where are we going?
We're going to Fresno Breakfast House.
These glasses are so funny. I love it.
They're nice. I like them.
I love them.
Where did you get them from?
I think Urban Outfitters or something.
I think I'm gonna get lenses and I'm gonna get some new sunglasses. Because I only use these because they're with prescription.
You must. Get from Armani.
Armani is my favorite brand.
We've reached the brunch place. Not me third wheeling them all the time. I love New York and Boston and stuff, but nothing beats California because it's the best place in the entire world. Alright, now we're going to Costco or Walmart because I'm moving in a week and I haven't shopped for anything. We're on our way to Costco. That's Abhi. Hi. And we're going.
Yeah, let's
And now everyone's awkward because I'm vlogging. My chauffeur for today.
I'm not even gonna buy today.
I'm gonna get a lot of things.
You have a list ready?
I have a like it's huge. I'm gonna spend so much money. I just have to. It's important. I'm literally gonna be living on my own. I can't do this. I won't miss you though. I'm kidding, I'll miss you too. We're here. This looks so funny, I gotta remove it. We're here. I'm gonna go get stuff that I need for my dorm. We're getting flushed with vibes right now. Because I think we'll need that in my dorm.
Why do you always vlog anything?
I'm vlogging because it's important. This is some pesto that we've got. My probiotic because I'm lactose intolerant. And that's my driver. My shopping cart holder. Hold this. I want to buy this entire house. This is so cool. Like, I would love to take this with me. We're leaving now. We just paid and stuff. We're going to Walmart now, I think. Man, I'm gonna sleep in the car or something now. I'm so tired. We just reached Walmart and I'm getting off. There's a massive mirror that I've got. Shower caddy, a bunch of cups and stuff. And now we're gonna go get notebooks. Picked up some notebooks and now we're gonna check out. Got myself some chips and now we're checking out and going home. No, actually we're watching a movie. Wait, what?
Yeah, we're watching.
Yeah, we're gonna watch a movie now. Fun, that's such a fun day. The party size pack for me.
Party size pack for you.
Just for me, because I party all by myself. That's just so sad, I shouldn't say that. I am back home right now. I want to charge my phone. I want to like eat something, maybe nap for like 10 minutes. I will see you guys at the movie. Look at the palm trees behind me. It looks so good. I'm gonna go click a few pictures of the trees because I just love palm trees. Okay, I'm going in. Bye. Has it started? Are we late? It's empty. There's no one. This was the best movie I've ever seen. Marvel, I love you, Marvel. Marvel, I love you. We dropped my sister off back at the airport because she was going to Boston because she's doing her masters at Tufts. Then I went to Dutch Bros and got myself some coffee. I wanted to complete my dorm room shopping, so I went to Target after that and decided to get every remaining thing. We're searching for the school aisle since the last 15 minutes. Like, where is it? Target, where have you kept your school supplies? I'm deciding to be a vampire this Halloween. This is a nice cape. I should be doing dorm room shopping. I don't know why I'm in the Halloween aisle. I'm just getting gum and Kit Kat. I then went to Home Depot in the Halloween aisle because I'm fascinated. So I'm at Home Depot right now and we're looking at the Halloween decorations. This one is just so creepy.
There once was a jester.
That is just so creepy for no reason. So I'm dorm room shopping. I got this. I'll be ending the vlog now. Thank you so much for watching my flying to California and dorm room shopping vlog. I'm moving in exactly 4 days. So I'll be doing a moving in vlog and I'll be doing all my university stuff. So it's gonna be a fun week. My welcome week. I'm vlogging all of that. So stay tuned for that. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever the hell everyone tells you to do. I will see you in a couple of days. Bye.